Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Toddler Christmas Books is probably one of the most cherished ways to introduce the magic of the holiday season to your little ones, offering a delightful blend of festive stories and engaging illustrations that capture the wonder of Christmas through a young child's eyes, making them perfect for cozy bedtime readings and sparking early literacy skills. Number 5. 8 Little Planets, Solar System Book for Kids. Embark on an exciting journey through our amazing solar system. Discover the wonders of space right from your fingertips. Get to know each of the 8 unique planets that orbit our sun. Learn fascinating facts about each celestial body. Experience the solar system like never before with special cutout designs. These interactive elements make learning fun and engaging. This book is designed for curious young minds eager to learn about space. It's a perfect introduction to astronomy for children. Dive into a universe of fun and education with this captivating book. It's an adventure that will spark a lifelong love for learning. What we like. This book offers a unique way to learn about our solar system. Its interactive cutouts make learning fun and engaging for little ones. If you are looking for a book that sparks curiosity about space and offers a tactile learning experience, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This book is a great way to introduce toddlers to Christmas. The illustrations are colorful and engaging, perfect for little ones. The story is simple and easy for young children to understand. Number 4. Christmas in the Manger. Journey back to the humble beginnings of Christmas. Discover the story of hope and love that started it all. Witness the miraculous events that unfolded on that sacred night. It's a story that continues to inspire generations. See the beloved Nativity story brought to life with stunning visuals. Understand the profound significance of this moment. Reflect on the message of peace and goodwill that emanates from this special event. Let its spirit fill your heart. Join us in celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. It's a reminder of the greatest gift ever given to humanity. Share this heartwarming experience with your loved ones. It's a perfect way to embrace the true spirit of the season. What we like. This offers a serene and beautiful introduction to the Christmas story. Its gentle narrative and lovely artwork create a peaceful atmosphere. If you want a calming and visually appealing book to share the Nativity story with your toddler, this is an excellent option. What people say. This book is perfect for little hands to hold and turn the pages. The illustrations are bright and engaging, really capturing a toddler's attention. The story is simple and repetitive, which is great for young children learning language. Number 3. Santa's Workshop, a Christmas lift-a-flap board book. Get ready for a magical Christmas adventure. This delightful book is perfect for little hands to explore. Open each flap to reveal charming surprises and festive scenes. It's a fun way to learn and play during the holidays. Designed for babies and toddlers, this board book is durable and engaging. It's the perfect introduction to the joy of Christmas. Join Santa and his busy elves as they prepare for the big day. Little ones will love interacting with the colorful pages. This lift-a-flap book is sure to become a holiday favorite. Share the wonder of Christmas with your child through this interactive story. What we like. Get ready for some hands-on holiday fun with this interactive book. The lift-the-flap elements are perfect for curious little fingers. If your toddler loves surprises and engaging with their books, this is a great pick for a playful Christmas experience. What people say. This book is perfect for little hands to hold and turn the pages. The illustrations are bright and engaging, really capturing a toddler's attention. It's a great way to introduce toddlers to the story of Christmas in a simple and understandable way. Number 2. The First Christmas, Lift-a-Pop Nativity Board Book. Discover the joy of the very first Christmas with this delightful pop-up nativity scene. It's a wonderful way to introduce little ones to the story of baby Jesus. This interactive board book brings the nativity to life with charming pop-up elements. Watch as the story unfolds with every page turn. Designed for babies and toddlers, it's durable and engaging for small hands. They can safely explore the beloved Christmas story. Lift the flaps to reveal the magic of the nativity scene. It's an exciting way for young children to learn about the birth of Jesus. Looking for a meaningful holiday gift? This book is a perfect choice for Christian families to celebrate this special time of year. Part of the Little Sunbeam series, this book offers faith-based stories for young children. It's a beautiful addition to any nursery or playroom. What we like? Experience the Christmas story in a truly spectacular way with its pop-up scenes. This book provides a visually rich and faith-centered celebration of Jesus' birth. If you are looking for a book that brings the Nativity to life with breathtaking pop-ups and a strong religious theme, this is a wonderful gift. What people say. This book is a great way to introduce toddlers to Christmas. The illustrations are colorful and engaging, perfect for little ones. The story is simple and easy for young children to follow. Number 1. Moo Baa Fa La La La. Experience the delightful sounds that bring joy and cheer. It's a symphony of happiness for everyone to enjoy. Let the festive melodies fill your home with warmth and celebration. These cheerful tunes are perfect for any occasion. Join in the fun and sing along to these beloved sounds. They're designed to bring smiles and create lasting memories. Discover a world of pure happiness with every note. These sounds are a simple yet profound way to uplift your spirits. Immerse yourself in unforgettable tunes that resonate with joy. They offer a unique and heartwarming auditory experience. What we like? This book combines the joy of farm animals with festive Christmas carols. It's designed for little ones to sing along and have a blast. If your toddler loves animal sounds and enjoys musical, interactive books, this will be a hit this holiday season. What people say. This book is a great way to introduce your toddler to the magic of Christmas. The illustrations are beautiful and engaging, and the story is simple enough for young children to understand. It's a perfect size for little hands to hold, and the sturdy pages can withstand a lot of use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.